MRI of right shoulder showing the tear set of the tendon. Right shoulder undergoes surgical velocity. The tear set shape and tendon mobility is evaluated. The footprint is debrided. Ankle A is inserted. Ankle B and C are inserted. The strain from ankle A, B, and C are presented. But big device is used to puncture the tendon. 6 strands that pass through the tendon from ankle A, B, and the strand from ankle B, C are presented. One blue strand from ankle B and one white strand from ankle C will be grasped out of the body. In an extracorporeal manner, the first set of double pulley suture bridge is created. As the double pulley effect, this double pulley suture bridge is delivered into the subclavian space. The first set of double pulley suture bridge is delivered into the subclavian space and placed onto the tendon. The opposite two strands are required enough tension. The strands above the knot are cut. The opposite blue and white strands are also grasped out of the body. The two strands should be firmly knocked by knock pusher. The rest of strands from ankle A, B, and C are presented. The third and fourth set of double pulley suture bridge are created. The fifth and sixth set of double pulley suture bridge are created. 6 sets of double pulley suture bridge are placed on the tendon and powerfully compress the whole tendon against the footprint. Post-operative radiography. Post-operative MRI. Thank you very much.